China's private entrepreneurs' confidence in pursuing high-quality development is picking up. The optimism did not come out of nowhere. China's private sector has posted a highly anticipated recovery. Despite weak global growth, foreign trade of China's private firms jumped 14.4% from a year earlier in the first quarter, accounting for 52.4% of the country's total. New orders from home and abroad have kept many plants very busy.
产能大概零生产均衡600多吨，我现在大量的在引进设备和厂房在增加。那目前已经出口能够做到出口量最大的企业之一，出口了将近70个国家。
咱们现在车间内生产的是活动看台和座椅，订单量是400多万，国出口量订单比去年增长了20%。
Chinese companies in the private sector are also contributing to the country's high-quality development by working on green technologies.
目前呢，就是宝丰的氯氢年产能已经达到了6亿标准立方米。这6亿标准立方米的氯氢和我们化工装置耦合以后，每年可以减少煤炭资源的消耗，大约80万吨标准煤。每年减少二氧化碳的排放量大约是140万吨。
我们对2023年包括未来我们充满了信心。未来我们将继续围绕公司的战略，聚焦新能源新材料，着重是围绕绿色经济。我们会进一步扩大光伏 EVA 的产能。
While private enterprises are striving to thrive, the business environment for them is also improving, with a slew of conducive measures and promises made by government from different levels. In Nanjing, capital of Jiangsu province, the government is working to simplify administrative procedures.
我们进一步的提高了审批速度跟水平，同时呢，我们还推出了企业陪伴计划，为企业的从生产到成长到我们的市场推广，做全方位的、全过程的呢，为企业呢来做相关的服务。
In Zoping City, Shandong Province, the local government has made continuous efforts to encourage private enterprises to invest in energy-saving transformation, smart automation, and digital technology.
近年来，我们企业不断加大研发投入，研发费用已经接近销售额的7%。
China registered a better-than-expected 4.5% growth in the first quarter of this year. The revival of private companies and the improvement of private entrepreneur sentiment are crucial for the country's further growth, and the private sector has been a key pillar sustaining China's economic expansion.